Hello YouTube. Don't normally make videos, but I've been looking on eBay, Temu, AliExpress at the price of Morse keys, and I'm not paying the price that they pay on there, so I decided to make my own. So as you can see, we'll start down here. I made one with micro switches, and then I made another one with a micro switch. And then I decided to make a cootie, but it's pneumatic. So then I decided to make a paddle. Just some old picks. Got some buzz bars I cut down. All stuff I had lying around. This one here, straight key, another buzz bar connection, and then we have this one, which is another buzz bar. You can see fully adjustable, this one, adjustable spring there, adjustable receiver at the back, totally adjustable up on the front. You can pay hundreds of pounds. I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it cost me absolutely nothing. So you haven't got to pay out expensively. As you can see, it's just bits and pieces thrown together. A couple of picture hook rails, so I'll let some bolts and a bit of buzz bar, bit of brass, bit of chopping board. That's a hacksaw blade, bit of sticky black plastic carbon fibre to make it look pretty. That's actually a knob of a CB, and that's a knob of a CB. That's sort of my setup. It's a bit messy, you know, but there we go. That's what we do. I am not a ham. It's strictly PMR, CB, and a bit of free banding now and again. I am in the process of learning to do my ticket, but where there's a will, there's a way. I'll find a way to do it on 27 megahertz one way or another. Now there we are, that's my keys for nothing. If I have a look again, anyone can do this. It is simple. You haven't got to pay extortionate prices on eBay, on Temu. Simple, a couple of micro switches and a magnet. What more could you ask for? All working. There you go. Just a short one to show off some keys. There you go. Make your own. Let me know what happens. Thank you very much for watching.